Hello. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how an NGO user in the OSCaR case management system might create a referral to send to the government or Mosavie agency. So currently I'm logged into the OSCaR case management system, which is used by several NGOs. Any NGO has the ability to generate this referral to send to the Mosavie system. Now, to do that, what I might do is either find an existing client or create a new client. And here I'm locating the record that I want to create this referral form and send to Mosavie, which is using the Primero system. I can either use name, ID, status to search for an existing case, or I can choose to add a new client, where I'll then be prompted to enter information about this child. For administrative information, I can list my own details, the date of the referral. Then it will prompt me to specify who referred this case to the OSCaR NGO agency originally. And then I can complete this referral information form to actually specify the details about the beneficiary. Here I can specify the client details, such as name, both in English and Khmer if I prefer, gender, date of birth, and then it's really important that I specify the current location, because this will determine the assignment to the appropriate provincial focal point at Mosavie. So I'm going to choose the province, the district, the commune, as well as the village. And once I have completed this, then I can go to the next page where I can specify additional information, such as background about the child, where they went to school, so on. I can then choose to add additional information about the child's history, as well as any information that might be important during intake. Once I've finished filling out all this information and registering the client, I can choose to save and associate the client with a family, or just leave it standalone. This will then generate and register that client in the OSCaR system, where I will then be redirected to sometimes perform a screening assessment, but then I need to accept the client into my NGO system. And once I've accepted this client, it is officially registered for my NGO, and I can then continue recording updates about this client, as well as create new referrals. So in the OSCaR system, many NGOs might sometimes enroll a client to program streams, and that will therefore assign different services that are being administered to that client during their time with that agency. However, when I want to refer a client to Mosavie, I can just go here to this button and choose Mosavie External System, and this will redirect me to a specific referral form where I can be very specific around which services I would like to refer to Mosavie. So here it will pull my contact information as a caseworker. I can specify my phone number. I can specify a reason for this referral, and this reason will be visible to the Primero Mosavie caseworker. So for example, for type of service, if I'd like to, select that this child receive both foster care as well as counseling, then I can specify the details of why this referral might be important. And when I specify this reason, then I can choose the types of service. So there's all different types, and I can choose to send multiple to the Primero system. And then I want to upload a consent form. And then once all this information is complete, I can choose to click Save, and this referral will be automatically sent to the Primero system to be viewed by the Mosavie caseworkers. And I can still access this referral form on my client's record, and depending on the location of my client, that's how it will be assigned to the appropriate casework on the Primero side. So if I go back and take a look at my main client record, I'm going to go back once more. Anytime I access this client again, I'll be able to see the history of this referral. So here I'm viewing Kim's client, and if I scroll down, I can see this external referral was completed on December 1st, and if I click in, I can view those referral details. So in the OSCaR system, only one external referral to Mosavie is supported per client. So now that I have referred this client to Mosavie one time, if I ever wanted to change this referral, so change the referral reasons, request additional services, I would need to contact the Mosavie caseworker to get that information. So only for first-time Mosavie referrals will it automatically sync. Otherwise, I need to follow up with the Mosavie caseworker to provide additional details and to request additional services. Now, the other way to review referral forms is to check out this referral forms dropped out. I can see referred to external organization, and here I can also view a history of all referrals, including those sent to the Mosavie system. Now, watch on for the other videos to see how the Mosavie caseworker and the Primero system will accept these referrals received from OSCaR users. Thanks for watching.